Hi everyone and welcome back to the channel. As mentioned in my previous video with the Porsche Cayenne SUV, I'm gonna do two videos with SUVs from Cararama, and this is my second video. If you haven't seen the first one with the Porsche, please check it out in my channel. And now let's start with the BMW X5. This first and original generation X5 was a really cool SUV when it came out, and everyone wanted to have an X5. The style and performance of the X5 are excellent. This Cararama model includes the original X5 wheels. And now, without further ado, let me take it out of the box so we can check it out. The color of the X5 is unique and very interesting. I also like the nice BMW X5 nameplate that Cararama have put on it. Let me take it off the stand so you can check it out. At the back it says X5 on the right side of the trunk. It has a BMW emblem as well as BMX5 license plate. The headlights and turn signals are made of separated pieces of plastic. It does have a nicely painted window frames, side skirts, as well as fender arches. Okay guys, so this is gonna be the end of the BMW X5 video. If you like it, please subscribe. I'm also gonna include a link down in the description to show you where you can buy this nice BMW X5. Thanks for watching.